Hi and welcome to the Car Source. Today we're presenting this Mazda 2 1.5 Sport Nav Plus. This is a fantastic car, pleasure to drive, very practical, and it's got the very reliable Mazda SkyActive engine in it. If you've not heard of the Car Source, please look us up online. Look at our Google reviews. We've got 5-star Google reviews throughout, and that is because we understand that trust is everything. We aim to look after our customers so that they'll come back to us. Every car that we provide comes with a full service history. We only source well looked after, reliable cars, and they come with a 3-month guarantee, and we really do uphold that guarantee. We make sure that we look after folks. If anything goes wrong in the first 3 months, it gives you that peace of mind. So to look around this car, you'll see that it is in great condition all round. This car obviously comes with a full service history, and it's got 32,000 miles on the clock. The alloys are in good condition, you can see. And we'll take you inside and we'll have a look at some of the features. Being the Sport Nav Plus, it obviously comes with satellite navigation, as you can see there. And obviously you've got your Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your phone to that if you wish. And you can make your phone calls and everything through that too. And you've got your entertainment, the radio, you can change that to your, if that's connected to your phone, obviously to change the tracks and everything through it. Comes with air conditioning here. And it's the automatic, so obviously you've got your automatic gearbox, and you've got this sport button here. It just changes your driving experience. You just flip that up and it just makes it a wee bit punchier for you. Accesses a wee bit more of the power. The control panel here is really great. It just sits down at your hand height, and it makes it actually really simple to navigate through the menu when you're driving, so that it's less distracting. You don't have to put your hand up here and get distracted by the screen. You've got your USB sockets here for charging your phone. You can also plug it in and accelerate if you wish. I think the dash, it's actually really nice across here. You've got a lovely leather effect across the dash, a soft touch, which makes it look really nice and feel really nice. In the steering wheel, we've got our Bluetooth controls here: volume up, skip track, end your phone call, etc. On the right hand side, we've got cruise control on this car, obviously. That's how you switch it on there, the buttons. This car comes with automatic headlights, so it detects when it's dark and switches your lights on for you if you've got it set to auto. And we've also got automatic windscreen wipers, which will detect when it's raining. As you can see down here, we do have paddles at either side, so you can change the gears using those paddles if you wish. I'll take it down here. You've got lane assist with this car as well, so it detects when your car has gone out of its lane and will warn you when you're doing that. If you look at the door cards, you've obviously got all your mirrors and your windows here. This car does have automatic folding mirrors, and they're also heated, so in the winter time that's great. Plenty of space here, as we can see, and it's actually a very comfortable car to drive. So we'll go around and we'll look in the back. So in the back we have enough space to seat adults comfortably. At least 2 adults comfortably and 3 children comfortably. I'll take you down the other side as well and let you see them from this side because it's a bit sunny. You get a better view from there. There you go, you can see. Plenty of space, plenty of footroom there. Obviously that driver's seat is right back because I'm tall, but put it a wee bit forward and you've got plenty of space in there. And we'll open up the boot and we'll have a look in here. So yeah, for a small car, you can fit a decent amount in there. You could fit a good couple of suitcases and a buggy and whatever else you've got, plenty of shopping. Yeah, so it's a small car, but it's not tiny. It's got lots of room in there to fit what you need into it. So yeah, stunning looking car, lovely alloys on this, really nice colour, and obviously very reliable with the 1.5 SkyActive engine, as we said. So if you're interested in this car, you can find out more about it online, and you can reserve it for £99 refundable reservation fee. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions at all. And as we said, every car we sell comes with a 3-month guarantee, and we really uphold that guarantee. We understand trust is everything, and so we aim to really look after you. So please, any questions, do get in touch, and we'll be happy to answer any questions at all.